Hello, this is Nikki in Niagara coming to you from Niagara Falls, Canada, and here it is. This is my spring Hobonichi order. Yay! So I couldn't resist the call, and let's take a look at what I got. Okay, so I think I'm going to put the box over here because it's too big to fit in my space once it's all opened up. Oh, okay, so I got myself a couple of covers, and I got this one, which is called Champion, I think, and this is the mushroom one. It is from the, I think they call it World Folk Arts or something like that series. And I absolutely love mushrooms. So I wanted to pick this up just in case it didn't come back next year. Because I had thought, oh, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. The red. Look at the red. Oh, yes. Okay, so just since I just ordered the covers, I don't get pins. Okay, so put that like that. And then I got one of the new ones. I got this one. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this one, the special thing about this one is that it's the very first time they've ever made a cover with a cover on cover to go with it specifically. Oh, look at this. Got a die cut. Oh, that's wonderful. And when over here we can see his little bum. He's got a tail. The little world has a tail. Okay, you never know what might be hiding. Let's have a look at the ends. Oh, those are nice. Smell like they might be leather. And there it is. So, let's put its cover on. Now this has stars on it, so it looks like it's in space. I think I've gotten a fingerprint on it already. Oh. That in there. Oh, I am like so excited that it comes with a die cut. And then this goes in here. Okay, so that's still usable. Okay, are you ready? Let's cover up that. Okay, are you ready? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, I'm so happy I got this. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, I love both of these. And the blue in here is just, oh, it's perfect. I just can't help how they match the colors. They're just like, oh. Those are gorgeous. And then I ordered a couple of clear cover on covers. How many did I get? Just two? Yeah, okay, so I got two. One to go on here, and the other one, I think that's just blue paper in there. Make sure I don't want to miss anything. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to put the clear one on here before I get fingerprints on it too. So these are on for $1. So I figured I'd pick up a couple of them. They're on sale, and I guess they will be until the September releases. Then they'll probably go back up to their normal price. Now, these ones have the pocket in them. Now, does this have... Oh, yeah. Okay, so this has a pocket. So I need to make sure I put this on the right way. Okay, so this is my first time using one of these. Put that in there. This in here, and then I actually have an A6 Midori, which I am going to see if I can put in there. That goes in there, and this. Okay, be careful not to bend the covers. Oh, yes. Nice. Oh, that's cool. My Midori has a red bookmark in it. And so does this. So yeah, it fits nicely. And then you can use this to get that space back there. Cool. Now this one doesn't have a back pocket. No, it doesn't even come with one. Okay, so now this is what my order consists of. I've got the weeks, and this is, I've forgotten the name of it. I think it's Usagi, and that is Japanese for rabbit. Now they have some A6 covers, but I think the rabbit is cute, and I like the rabbit, but the thing that really got me about the weeks was that it's lime green, because I love lime green. And this is made out of that tie material. And this comes with the pen. Oh, let's get it open. Ooh. Okay, so I wanted to try and start using, oh, I love the end pages. Oh, and it says hobo. Hobo. Yeah, it says hobo, 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 hobo all over the front and the back. Oh, we get a die cut. We get a die cut rabbit, and there's the pocket that you stick on. Okay, and then they always give you a railway map of Tokyo, which very handy for people who live in Tokyo. Here's the poster, which is the same as the one that came out in January. So now I have 2 of those. But as I was saying, I wanted to start trying to use a weeks for my financials. And it comes with 2 ribbons. And I'm not going to do a flip through of this because it's just the same as any Hobonichi weeks, and there's tons of flip throughs of those. This is stamped on here. Can you see the, I don't know if you, yeah, you can. You can see the horizontal lines on it like a tie. This is really nice. It's like satiny smooth. And is this ever thin? I mean, I knew they were thin, but it just really it does shock you the first time you see it. This is just the normal. I didn't get the Mega. I don't need all that journaling space, extra journaling space. Okay, so does this have a... Oh, no, it doesn't have a pen loop. Was I supposed to get a cover for this that I didn't get? Maybe. But anyways, I got one of each of these. They were selling out. This one was sold out of weeks. It's the one that I really wanted to have to go in here. But since it was selling out, I got one anyways in the A6 size. And I got the blue one to go in here. So I really like using those. And then the one thing that I don't like about my A6, this is my A6 right here, the only thing I don't like about it is that pretty soon the pen loops are not going to keep it closed, so I want it to get a band to go around it. I'm used to using books that have a band on them. So these come in all sorts of different color combinations, but I got the navy and red to go with the red on my red string. So there we go. And then I got this to go in my weeks so that it would capture my pages. And finally, I got an Ane. And the reason I got the Ane is that I want to use it as a wallet. And now I've got so much plastic around me here. Okay, so what I want to be able to do is switch over my wallet into here. Oh, is that ever nice? Oh, I love the tan. I love the tan in there. And there are a lot of pockets. So, anyways, your weeks will fit in here. Weeks will fit in here. And then I will be able to put all my change in here. And all my cash in there, all my cards, and everything that's in my wallet, plus more. This is gorgeous. And you know, sometimes I'll be able to use this just instead of a big bag. I love this. So I got the black because I wanted something that would just go with everything, since I'm going to be using it as a wallet and it's going to be carried around with me. And yeah, I don't want to feel like I have to switch it out because it doesn't match the current purse or the current outfit or whatever. So yeah, I went with black, and the tan looks really spiffy in there. So yeah, that's the Ane, and the weeks just sits in there so nicely. Alright, so it looks like I should have gotten myself a cover on cover for the weeks, because now that I think about it, I remember them. They have a little page marker thingy here, and then they have the pen loop there, so I guess I will live. I can put my pen in here. And yeah, in January I'll make sure I get myself a cover for that. So yeah, I'm basically speechless. Where are we going to put him, since I don't have a little cover on cover? Guess. Maybe I'll clip him onto a page or something, or I could just put him there. Okay, I will play around with these. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed your peek inside of an April Hobonichi haul. Until next time, bye-bye.